Welcome to today's video. Today, let me take you through an introduction to flexible circuit boards, abbreviated as Flex PCB. A Flex PCB is a circuit board that can bend, fold, and twist, making it perfect for modern electronic devices. Compared to rigid PCBs, Flex PCBs are lighter, thinner, and more adaptable, ideal for compact or dynamic environments. Flex PCBs are usually made from polyamide or polyester films, known for their thermal stability and chemical resistance. The process involves etching circuit patterns, lamination, drilling, and surface finishing, all requiring precise control. From smartphones and laptops to wearables and medical devices, Flex PCBs are everywhere. They make devices thinner, more durable, and offer greater design flexibility. Flex PCBs are redefining what's possible in electronics, a key building block of future technology. Welcome to our official website, www.PCBasic.com, to learn more.